Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll sign in and land in the inbox. Focus on being ready to act. First, enter your Microsoft credentials and verify any two-step prompt. Once done, glance at the focused versus other tabs to see priority messages. Make sure to pin a frequently used folder so it's one click away. If you want alerts, enable desktop notifications in settings. These steps get you into active email management quickly and keep important messages visible without digging. You compose messages by clicking New Message, add recipients and subject, and drag attachments into the body to upload. Once sent, organize strategically. Create folders and color categories, then set sweep or inbox rules to move or flag similar mail automatically. When you need an email, use the search box with filters. Try from subject, has attachments, or a date range to find messages fast. Make sure to save a common search as a query if you repeat it often. This saves time and reduces clutter. You'll wrap up by syncing mail with calendar and people. Drag an email to calendar to create an event or add a sender to contacts for future ease. Then finalize housekeeping, archive or delete messages to stay under quota and empty deleted items periodically. If something breaks, try a quick troubleshoot. Clear the browser cache, open Outlook Web in a private window, or sign out and back in. If that fails, check Microsoft Service status or try a different browser.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.